Quickly finding the perfect class schedule just got easier. To access the schedule planning tool, visit the student portal and click the link to launch. Adjust the filters at the top of the page to reflect scheduling preferences. Then, with 3 simple steps, you can create your dream schedule. Simply add desired classes, add breaks for work, sports, or other obligations, and generate schedules to be presented with a full list of every open, conflict-free option. Browse results by hovering, comparing schedules side by side, or clicking through the detailed view. Once you've found the best schedules, click Send to Cart to complete registration. For more advanced schedule customizations, you can lock classes, edit sections, or favorite schedules. Click the lock icon to pin down a favorite section, and all courses will revolve around that class. Click the Options button next to a course and uncheck sections you would like excluded from schedules. Use the heart icon to save and name preferred schedules and access them from the Favorites tab. To learn more, view the help videos from within the Schedule Planner. With this new tool, you will avoid scheduling headaches and experience registration success.